What's going on, guys? Patrick coming to you today. Hey, we're on our way today to go do a vehicle inspection. We typically require all vehicle inspections to be brought to us, but this particular car is a fairly rare car. Trying to keep the mileage down on it. It will eventually come to us for service, but it's at a major shop. We're gonna take you into this shop. They specialize in Porsches, and it's over here getting an inspection done on all the mechanical ends of it. It was just purchased. We're going to go through and do an inspection for our services. So y'all stay tuned. We'll bring you into the shop here shortly.
Between Hank Williams pain songs, blueberries train songs, and blue eyes crying in the rain. Out of Lukenbach, Texas, ain't nobody feeling no pain.
Hey guys, we're here at Protech today, and we're doing a vehicle evaluation on this little 928S Porsche here for a good customer of ours. We're here just to do a visual inspection on it, no mechanical inspections, and here to evaluate the paint, what we can do with the paint, trim, plastic wheels, all those types of things. We got a quick tour of the facility. Protech's located here in Greenville. It's an outstanding facility. The owner is a superb guy to deal with. But here, so what we're going to do this car, we've brought our paint depth gauge to do some paint readings, and it's definitely shown some respray on quite a bit of the car. About 3/4 of the car has been resprayed, as you can see. If you come on over here to the roof of the car, it's factory. You can see the oxidation in the single stage here, and the thinness of the material proves that it would be the original paint. So with that being said, you know, the car's got some respray issues with it. It's got some issues with the original paint. The respray was done with the base clear. The car was originally resprayed with a single stage paint system. So we're going to get with the customer, review some of the things that we have found with the car, discuss some options that he has. He has not purchased the car yet. We're just here to inspect it. And from there, we'll see what he wants to do if he does purchase the car, and go from there. But I do think there is somewhat of potential for this vehicle. Like any vehicle, there can always be an improvement made. It may not come out perfect, but it can definitely make a significant improvement. But we're here. This is your go-to place for all your Porsches. And if you have any questions, check out Protech, located here in Greenville. And thank you for viewing, guys. Y'all have a great day. Guys, so we just left Protech, and I just want to tell you guys, the owner of the facility was extremely welcoming, showed me around, gave me the tour. I hope you guys enjoyed that. The vehicle that we were there for, we're going to relay back to the customer on all of our findings. We documented some of this stuff. It's a great way to go about you know, looking a car over, having some things wrote down, having a detailed description of the car for the customer, especially since the customer hasn't seen the car yet. It's going through a pre-purchase vehicle inspection. They're doing the mechanical side of it, the undercarriage, the suspension, the engine, the drivetrain components, everything that goes along with that. They'll probably test drive the car for the gentleman. And Protech seems to be very spot on when it comes to accuracy and precision. I have a lot of faith in those guys after speaking with the owner. So we were there for just the visual appearance, you know, aesthetics of the vehicle. That's what we were there to look over. I'm pretty sure that the owner of Protech's fully capable of doing all that too. He seemed like a very capable fella. But you know, that's kind of our specialty, so we were glad to help out with that. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you got a moment, y'all stop by over there or stop by PCB Reflections. We would love to have you, and I'm sure they would too. Y'all have a great day, and we'll try to bring you along on the next one. A lot of these things happen at like brand new car dealerships. We have out-of-town customers that are coming from out of state send us to do vehicle inspections on new cars or slightly used cars. We do it both ways, so we'll try to carry you guys along.